Hey guys, I am so excited you guys today because I just want to have a little announcement here, like a short little video here on my vlog channel. First off, thank you for all of those that have subscribed to my vlog channel. Thank you so much, YouTube friends, YouTube buddies. You guys have been so amazing and so awesome, so supportive with my vlogging. I know my vlogging flat out sucks. Just sucks. I know that. I'm trying very hard to edit them correctly and to make them more interesting, because you're literally, in all reality, a vlog is just watching somebody live their life, and I'm trying to make that the most interesting as possible. But thank you so much for all your support. I mentioned more than a couple of months ago, last winter, that I had an Etsy shop where I had printables up. Like I designed printable signs where you can buy them for a couple bucks and print them and do whatever you want, craft with them. And I mentioned that I was going to be doing frames, and some of you guys wanted me to announce it here whenever I do start to have frames up for sale. Well, guess what? Today's the day I'm announcing it. You guys, I have my grand opening this week. I have now selling, I did not know what I was saying for a second. Okay, I am now selling Farmhouse signs, wood signs, you guys, are real wood. They're handmade by me, and I design them and I make them with my bare hands. And I'm really excited because they're all going to be 10% off on my shop this week for the grand opening. Everything's gonna be 10% off. And because you guys are my YouTube buddies, I'm giving you guys 20% off. So instead of just having 10% off my Etsy shop, you guys are gonna get a 20% off coupon code. All you have to do is put in YouTubeBuddy and you get 20% off anything you want in my shop. So I will put the shop link, listen, I'll put the shop link down below so you can go check it out. It's Bondbeautyful design. So you guys, I'm gonna show you one of my signs here. This is one of the fall signs, and I have like 4 different wood color options. This one is the BD Warm, which is the Bondbeautyful Designs Warm concoction. So basically what's going on is I have signs like this, wood signs. I have different ones. This is a fall one, and so the cool thing about it is that some of those designs that I've made like are absolutely unique 100%. Like some designs like the pantry, the thankful, the gather, those are common farmhouse style signs, sign designs, but I also have very unique ones that I myself, not that I didn't create the other ones, but what I'm saying is that I myself came up with in my brain, and they're just really, really cute. Also the frames, I don't just like to have just the frame like this. I like to kind of make them look really farmhousey. So really like old style, not old, but like rustic looking. I sand them, I make them look used and loved, and all of that kind of stuff. And they're just so gorgeous and they're so well made. And they're just so beautiful and fun to add to your home. So I have a bunch of different designs. I have a bunch of different frames now up on my Etsy shop, you guys. They're all up right now. I will slowly start to add more and more. Also, if there's any printables that you guys really like and want it converted into a frame, message me and let me know, you guys, because I can totally do that. If there is a certain size you want for one of the frames that you see, message me and let me know on my Etsy shop. If there is a certain color or something like that, you guys always let me know, because I can customize them and send those out as well. I'm totally flexible that way. I love doing that. I love, because sometimes you guys see cool things you can do and you guys give me that. You guys ask for that, and then it gives me more inspiration of more things I can create and more things that you guys like. So I just wanted to announce, you guys, that my Etsy shop, my farmhouse frames are now available. They're now up, and I have some really cool fall ones, and I have some kind of regular ones. I have some really cute like nursery gifts, or some really cute like playroom, kids room type of frames. So I definitely recommend you go checking that out, and don't forget, if you do buy anything, to use that coupon code YouTubeBuddy to get 20% off my entire shop. So the sale's going on for only a week, you guys, so make sure that you go check it out. The link will be down below. If you want to just support my shop but you don't want to buy anything, I'm totally okay with that. I beg you to do that, okay? Please share my shop. A great way to show your support and your love for my shop or for me or whatever is to share it on Facebook, share it with your friends, share it with your family. You never know who is going to like those, like my frames, appreciate it, want it in their home. So please share my shop. I definitely hope that you guys will. That was a big help. But yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know I'm excited. I hope you guys are excited too. More vlogs are coming soon, so make sure you keep your eye out for that. But yeah, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.